And this is how you pull this. Do you see it? Oh, look. Woohoo! We're doing it! Let's see if I can get it to follow enough. I feel so smart. Just have to get it on this green gate though. I think we're doing it! I think we're doing it! Here we go! Yay! Oh, now we gotta watch out for the little creek. First job of spring! All the bunnies get moved! So the clouds outside are like really pretty, and then we realized that you can see the moon, and I think those are the planets that are out now. Somebody let me know if those are planets or if they're the stars. But I'm thinking it's planets because usually the North Star is right around, oh yeah, it's like right behind those clouds right now. Oh, down further. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cold too. But I thought that was a really pretty against. Isn't that beautiful? Like the stars. Emily, you keep pushing me.
Sorry.
The stars and the moon.
It's
And
like a painting.
yeah, it's like a painting in the sunset. It's just like gorgeous.
Like Bob Ross's paintings.
Like Bob's paintings.